Hey there, beach lovers and vacation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa in beautiful St. Lucia. Grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore this slice of Caribbean heaven together. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Coconut Bay offers a unique two worlds concept with their Harmony Wing for adults only and the family-friendly Splash Wing. Talk about having your coconut cake and eating it too. The resort boasts 250 air-conditioned rooms, each with its own private balcony offering stunning views of the resort grounds or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family in tow, there's a room type to suit your needs. From cozy standard rooms to spacious suites, you'll find comfort and style at every turn. The rooms come equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect. Wi-Fi, mini fridges stocked with bottled water, TVs, and safes. And let's not forget the all-important hairdryer for those perfect beach selfies. One cool feature is that the ground floor rooms allow you to walk straight out to the resort grounds. It's like having your own private entrance to paradise. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation: the food. Coconut Bay doesn't disappoint with its impressive lineup of 8 restaurants and 7 bars. It's like a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. Craving some jerk chicken? Head over to the Jerk Treehouse for some authentic Caribbean flavors. In the mood for pasta? Trattoria has got you covered with its Italian delights. Seafood lovers will want to make a beeline for Calabash, while those craving Asian-inspired dishes should check out Silk. For a romantic night out, La Luna offers fine dining with a side of ocean views. And if you can't decide what you're in the mood for, the Coconut Walk Marketplace Buffet has a little bit of everything. Don't forget to stop by Flip Flops for a casual bite between dips in the pool. Speaking of pools, Coconut Bay doesn't mess around when it comes to aquatic fun. The resort boasts 5 pools, including 2 large pools on the splash side perfect for family frolicking, an activity pool for those who like to mix their swimming with a bit of volleyball, and 2 adults-only pools on the Harmony side for when you need some peace and quiet. The main splash pool is a water lover's dream with its swim-up bar, water slides, and hammocks. It's like a water park and a relaxation zone had a beautiful baby. Over on the Harmony side, you'll find sun tracker loungers and hammocks for the ultimate in poolside relaxation. And let's not forget the hot tub with an ocean view, because nothing says luxury like bubbles with a view. But wait, there's more. Coconut Bay isn't just about lounging by the pool, although we wouldn't blame you if that's all you did. The resort offers a smorgasbord of activities to keep you entertained. Fitness buffs will love the complete fitness center, while sports enthusiasts can hit up the tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts. For those who prefer their activities with a side of ocean breeze, there's snorkeling, diving, canoeing, and windsurfing available right on the resort's 1,500-foot sandy beach. And if all that activity has you in need of some R&R, the Oceanfront Spa is ready to pamper you into a state of blissful relaxation. Speaking of relaxation, let's talk about the spa for a moment. The Sanctuary Spa on the Harmony side is a haven of tranquility, offering a range of treatments to soothe your body and soul. From massages that will turn you into human jelly to facials that will have you glowing like a Caribbean sunset, the spa has got you covered. Their signature Coconut Bay Bliss massage is a must-try. It's like being wrapped in a warm, tropical hug. The spa facilities include relaxation areas, saunas, steam rooms, and private treatment rooms. It's open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, so you can squeeze in some pampering between your beach naps and cocktail sipping. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you might be wondering, but what about the kids? Well, fear not, because Coconut Bay has thought of everything. The resort boasts the island's largest water park, which is sure to keep the kiddos, and let's be honest, the adults too, entertained for hours. The Kidz Klub offers a range of activities from arts and crafts to games, ensuring that your little ones have just as much fun as you do. It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, giving you plenty of time to enjoy some adult-only activities or just lounge by the pool with a good book. But what if you want to explore beyond the resort? Coconut Bay has you covered there too. The resort is perfectly positioned to explore some of St. Lucia's most famous attractions. Soufriere, home to the iconic pitons and drive-in volcano, is just an hour away. The capital city of Castries, with its bustling market and historical sites, is a 1.5-hour drive. And if you're up for a bit of a road trip, Rodney Bay, known for its beautiful beach and lively nightlife, is 2 hours away. The resort offers organized excursions to these attractions, so you can sit back and enjoy the ride while they take care of the details. So, what's the overall verdict on Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa? Well, if you're looking for a resort that offers something for everyone, you've found it. With its unique two worlds concept, extensive dining options, and array of activities, it's a perfect choice for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. The friendly staff, excellent food, and extensive recreational facilities are consistently praised by guests. However, it's worth noting that some guests have mentioned that the rooms could use a bit of an update, and the beach occasionally has some sargassum issues, though the staff works hard to keep it under control. What really makes Coconut Bay stand out is its ability to cater to different types of travelers. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, you'll find your niche here. The adults-only Harmony Wing provides a peaceful retreat for couples, while the Splash Wing keeps families entertained with its water park and kids' activities. It's like getting two resorts for the price of one. One of the unique selling points of Coconut Bay is its all-inclusive nature. From dining to activities, most things are included in your stay, making it easy to budget for your vacation. No need to worry about surprise costs or constantly reaching for your wallet. You can just relax and enjoy your time in paradise. While Coconut Bay doesn't have extensive conference facilities, it does offer some options for small meetings or events. The resort can accommodate groups for corporate retreats or destination weddings, adding a touch of tropical flair to any occasion. In terms of guest experiences, many visitors rave about the Caribbean night, describing it as an unbelievably good time. The friendly staff often gets special mentions, with guests praising their attentiveness and warm hospitality. Many visitors also highlight the quality and variety of the food as a standout feature of their stay. In conclusion, Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa offers a slice of Caribbean paradise with a little something for everyone. Whether you're splashing in the pools, indulging in spa treatments, or exploring the island, you're sure to create memories that will last long after your tan fades. So, if you're looking for a tropical getaway that combines relaxation, adventure, and a touch of luxury, Coconut Bay might just be your perfect match. Pack your swimsuit, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready for a vacation that's as refreshing as a cool coconut on a hot Caribbean day. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.